In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can sign up for eToro. But before that, if you guys don't know what eToro is a website where you guys can buy and sell crypto as well as stocks. So that's two in one, crypto and stock. All right. So it's basically world's largest stock brokerage. All right. So you guys can also, go sign up for it and trade like crypto and stock. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer, guys. Let's jump right into the video, shall we? First step is you want to search for eToro. After you search for eToro, you want to click on the side link over here where it says eToro.com. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the official website of eToro. And once you're over here, you want to scroll a bit down and click on where it says sign up. If you, go and sign in, you need to enter information and log in into your account. But since we don't have an account, we need to create an account. Now to create an account, there's two ways. You can easily create an account by, going a bit down and clicking on Facebook or Google. After that, you can enter your Facebook ID or your Google information and your account will be created under the information which is inside your Google and Facebook. That's the easy way. But if you guys want to create like a separate account not linked with your Facebook and Google, you need to, go a bit down and enter your username over here. After entering a username for your account, you need to enter an email for your account like this. Entering the email, you need to enter the password for your account. After you do that, you need to click on this over here, this two place. You just need to tick mark these two and you want to click on create account and your account will be created. So yeah, that's basically it. But remember, your criteria over here needs to be fulfilled. Over here it says please enter a 6 or 16 character in English. So I'm going to enter some more character, then only my username can be fitting. And for my password as well, I need to enter some random digit as well. Basically, you need to meet the criteria of the website in order to create an account, right? So as you guys can see, my criteria has been made, so I can just click on create account and my account will be created. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can do that. Hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.